May I ask what is your name?
My name is Loretta Jackson. My
Can
name
you
is
see us?
Loretta Jackson Brown.
And where you come from?
Atlanta, Georgia.
Is this your first Macy's parade?
It is my first Macy's parade.
Why did you choose to come to the parade in such a cold weather?
Well, it has been on my bucket list for as long as I can remember as an adult, and I was just ready to do it. So I actually booked a hotel about a year ago, and my tickets probably about 4 months ago, so I wasn't going to waste those.
Did you come with your daughter?
I have my daughter. She's a college graduate. She just graduated this year from college, so this is part of the celebration that we're continuing.
Okay. What kind of school did you go for?
I went to Florida State University, and I graduated in May.
Congratulations. What kind of doctor do you want to be?
I want to go into peds. I want to be a pediatrician.
Okay, that's cool.
We're Southern girls, so this is very cold for us.
Yeah.
Very cold.
How did you get ready for with the layers of clothes?
We did some research on the internet. We went to a lot of the New York sites about what to prepare, Macy's site about the parade and what to do. So we got heat holder gloves. We found some tripod chairs that could fit on the plane. We learned about layering and what we need to do. And we probably overpacked, but
Okay.
we're here to stay warm.
Do you have an Instagram by any chance?
I have an Instagram.
Tell
Yes. My Instagram is Doc, what is it? Doc, trying to remember. Bird Brown. Doc Bird Brown. DLC.
Cool. Thank you so much for coming to the parade.
Thank you.
Great.